In my hand, this is the upcoming release of the Redmi Turbo 4 Pro. In this video, let's take a brief look at its appearance first. Firstly, holding it in my hand, I think the texture of this phone feels really good. I can't imagine that this is a new model from the Redmi Turbo series. The color I have here is white. It uses an AG matte glass process. Then it has a dual camera design arranged vertically symmetrically. We can see that the camera module on this part is metallic and has CNC chamfering. If you look closely at the black area of the camera, there is still a vortex-like design. Additionally, it also uses a metal middle frame, which is rare for this level. Let's feel the thickness of the phone. Personally, I think it's quite thin. There are very few openings on the top edge of the phone, similar to Xiaomi 15. Hey, isn't it infrared-free? Actually, not at all. Its infrared is integrated into the flash area, allowing for fewer openings on the phone. At the bottom, we can see the SIM card slot, microphone port, and Type-C speaker, all aligned in a straight line. I think the Redmi Turbo 4 Pro's design, including its quality, is well done. Next, let's take a look at its screen. Wow. Visually speaking, the four sides are almost equal, and the black edges are still very narrow. It only has 1.5 millimeters on both sides and above, while the chin is 1.9 millimeters. This makes the black edges appear very narrow indeed. Moreover, its R-angle design is also very nice and smooth. This is the appearance of the Redmi Turbo 4 Pro. If out of 10 points, how would you rate it?